Today we're going to go over another source where water could come into your trunk. This is a Toyota Prius, 4th generations, 2016 to 2019. The first thing you have to do is to remove the bumpers. So I'm going to walk you through the process. It's relatively simple. First, remove the cover from the backlight. Pull it straight out. As you can see, there is a socket. You can use a socket to remove that screw, the one on the top. And then there's also using a screwdriver to remove the screw from the one from the bottom. Underneath the bumpers, there's a lot of those push pin. There's only two kinds of push pin, but each one you have to remove them. Most of the time, those push pins, once removed, they will be damaged and they cannot be reused. I suggest you use one of the tools like the one I showed you with a U shape. That might give you a chance to save the push pin. But I do recommend you to order extra because very often those push pin is for single use only. So go around the car underneath, though there are the big push pin and then there's two small ones by the size of the bumpers. This is the part number for the small one. And this is the part number for the big one. You don't need to get it from Toyota, you can get the OEM, they're as good as the one from Toyota. However, the next part I'm going to show you, I recommend you get it from Toyota. So once you have the bumper removed, I use the spray gun to check where the waters could come in. It doesn't take long for me to notice that the waters is coming in from the screw grommet. As shown in here, I cover the hole, but I let the waters to flow above it. And then on the other side of the trunk, you can see the water seeping in. So this is the grommet. This is where the screw is screwed in. This is the part numbers for the grommet, 06029. The plastic tab actually have a felt pad in the back. To remove it, you just push out the old one. Notice the old one does no longer have the felt pad in the back. It's all disintegrated, and that's where the waters could seep in. To replace it, you just push in with the new one, making sure that the new one has the black intact felt pad in the back. I suggest you replace all the grommet once you have the bumpers removed. Even those water may not be coming in from the other sides, eventually those will all get weakened. So it is an easy step, replace all of them. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe. It is annoying to have water inside the trunk, but apparently this is a common problem for Toyota car, not necessarily Prius, but all the Toyota. Have a nice day.